I know this is a stressful time, but life goes on, doesn't it? We'll just roll through it. With massive outbreaks and news spreading faster than the virus itself, it's important for us all to keep up with the stats that affect the areas that we live in. So today, whilst I'm in self-isolation, which is not as fun as it sounds, I'm going to explore how to stay on top of the information about the virus using Python. I'm going to show you how to get data about how the virus is affecting your country or your area, and then how to set up an emailing service so you can get pinged every day an update about your country. To do this, we're going to be using web scraping tools, and it's going to be similar to the reading list video that I did in January. So first things first, we're going to have to decide on a suitable source for our data, and I decided to go with a website called Worldometers. It gives real-time data and stats about different things, but it also has a helpful coronavirus tracker. Worldometers was chosen because it's just a table, so that means that it will make the parsing of the data really simple, because it's all contained in one element, it's not spread across several sources. My plan is to ping this table, search through for a specific country, so I'm going to be looking for the UK, format an email and set it up so it sends me an update a day. Let's jump right in and let's code the collection of the data.
A few moments later.
I've written a little bit of Python, it's only like 20 lines, using the request library. It's using Beautiful Soup 4. It is fetching all of the data from the URL, finding everything that's in a table, and then printing out each row. So the next thing that we're going to do is we want to just find the UK, and then we're going to set up an email. If we take a run, it now only prints out the UK row, so this is exactly what we want. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a basic email script that will tell us how many cases are in each country. Hopefully this should work. We've set up just a basic email, we're setting up the server, we're passing in each of the elements of the table into the function, and then we're just adding it to a string. It's simple stuff. So let's give it a go. Let's give it a run and see what happens. Email has been sent apparently, so now let's just go to my Gmail, and here we go. Okay, so apparently I haven't formatted the string correctly, but that's fine.
Hello
I've
there.
now edited our basic email formatting. I've looked up how to use Python F strings, which are pretty funky, like Shift F10. And if we just take a look at my Gmail here, look at that. What I'm going to do next is set this up to ping once per day. Now, every day at 8 AM, using this schedule library, it's going to get the data from the website and ping me an email. So it's a pretty simple little script. So there we go, that about does it for this little video, this little project. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Give me a subscribe if you feel like giving me any more attention than I already have. All of the files that I have, which is just this main.py, are up on my GitHub. The link is in the description. It's github.com/tom.scott. If you want to follow me on any social media, it's also tom.scott. If you want to edit these scripts, all you have to do is change what it's looking for. So instead of putting UK there, just set it to anything else. Stay safe, remember to wash your hands. See you guys in the next one.